In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a decision tree diagram in Confluence with Draw.io. This guide is designed not only to help you build a clear and effective decision tree, but also to make the process smooth and intuitive, ensuring your diagram is both functional and visually appealing. Let's dive in. We'll begin by navigating to your Confluence page. Once you're there, go to Add Page. Here, you'll want to name your page. I suggest using a descriptive title like Table Structure to keep things organized. This helps set the stage for a structured workspace tailored to your specific needs. Now that your page is ready, type in /draw.io directly into the content area. This command will seamlessly trigger the draw.io diagram interface within your Confluence page, offering you a powerful toolset to craft your decision tree from scratch. Next, you'll see an option to insert a new draw.io diagram popping up. Click on this and you'll be presented with a selection of templates and tools. Choose the Basic Layout category from the menu. By selecting Basic, we're opting for a clean foundation from which to build our decision tree. It's a versatile starting point, allowing for easy customization as we progress. Once you've selected your starting point, click on Blank Diagram. This gives us a fresh canvas, perfect for tailoring the tree's appearance and structure exactly the way you want it. Hit the Create button to officially set up your workspace. Now, you're ready to bring your decision-making process to life. Begin by adding your first shape. A rectangle is a good choice here, containing the main question or problem you're trying to solve. This acts as the anchor point of your decision tree. From this starting shape, you'll start crafting the branches by adding more specific question nodes. These nodes will help narrow down options, guiding your diagram's logic flow. As you build, keep an eye on the text placement. Make sure your text is easily readable and consistent throughout the diagram. You can adjust the text on connectors as needed by simply dragging the orange diamond. This ensures clarity and alignment across the board. To add more visual clarity, assign different shapes and colors to each tier of your decision tree. This not only makes your diagram visually engaging, but also helps in distinguishing different decision pathways. While you're at it, make sure to standardize the sizes of your shapes. Resize one to perfectly fit your text, note the dimensions, and then apply these changes to the others. Alternatively, you can use the auto size feature for efficiency. To keep your diagram tidy, you might want to reposition some branches. Activate the tree moving feature in the Properties panel to make this process easier and more intuitive. Finally, ensure the connectors are consistent. Select all edges in your diagram, and in the Style tab, set uniform start and end points. This gives your lines a neat, cohesive look. For more complex trees, consider using the whiteboard editor. Turning on the grid can help you keep your diagram neat and proportionate. When satisfied with your creation, click Publish to share your diagram. And there you have it, your decision tree in Confluence, crafted efficiently in Draw.io.